Alright, we are live. The first clip I took, I was mumbling like crazy. But alright, I started this project at 9. Alright, you know the RC truck that I have. This one. Alright. This receipt already. Alright. And the truck for it, I have another body that I just painted. And I wanted to put it on. I did my signature design, which is like that. White, blue, and green. Okay. I started at 9. Well, my bedtime is, I don't have one, so I stayed pretty late, but look at this time. 1:06 in the morning, right? That's pretty late. And I just got done. I have it lowered. I will make a video when I have it lifted, but right now it's lowered. Sorry. But here's what it looks like right here. Looks good and then horrible. Good, horrible. Alright? Here's the front. Got the nice popping. And then not good. On the other side, it's like everything shifted forwards. Basically, everything went poop. But then I got red part right there. Got the Hemi sign. And the ace of it. So took me quite a bit. And no professional, but that was tiring, very tiring. I hated it, but someone's gonna leave too fast. But I'm finally done, and I'm glad I'm done. Oh, by the way, extremely tired. Been watching YouTube too to keep me entertained during the whole thing, the whole project. But I will see you when I have the RC lifted, alright? Bye.